This is how creators turned $100 into $33,000 with one UGC video. User-generated content is the strategy that directly correlates to how much people trust your brand, how fast you scale, how many sales you convert, and how little you spend on ads. And yet barely anyone actually understands how to use it properly. So here's exactly how to build a UGC strategy that converts in 2026. Let's get into it. Firstly, we need to understand what UGC actually is, so we can have conviction. So when I break down the steps later, you will actually understand what I'm saying. Now, most brands think UGC just means customers posting about you. That's not it. There are three types, and knowing the difference changes everything. Organic UGC is free. Real customers posting because they genuinely love the product. It's a gold standard, but it can't control the timing or the quality. Paid UGC is creators who specialize in making content that looks like a genuine customer experience. You brief them, you own the content. AI UGC is AI actors delivering real customer language at scale on demand. The brands winning in 2026 aren't picking one. They are blending all three. And just like your brand isn't fixed at one point, this strategy isn't static either. You can always test again, always rebuild the mix, always improve the creative. So let's get into step 1. I call it the convert and compound method, but that's not the official name for it. It's just the name I use. Here's how it works. You create 3 different content variations for the same offer. You test them on the same audience at the same time. You measure performance after 48 to 72 hours. You scale whichever one wins. Then you repeat the process with new variations based on what you learned. That's the entire loop. Create, test, measure, scale, repeat. Most people skip straight to scale without ever testing, and that's exactly why their content dies fast. And you can accelerate this loop by using AI UGC tools to fill in the gaps, generating extra variations fast, so you are never waiting on a creator's schedule to test your next idea. Now here's the part that's actually interesting. UGC isn't one isolated video sitting on its own. It's working in coordination with your entire funnel, whether you realize it or not. Your organic UGC builds the trust. Your paid UGC scales the proof. Your AI UGC fills the gaps when you need content immediately. Your ad account distributes all of it. It's one connected system, not 3 separate tactics. If one part of that system is weak, the whole thing collapses. If your UGC overpromises but your landing page underdelivers, conversions die. If your content is polished and perfect, it stops looking like UGC at all, and people scroll straight past it because it reads as an ad. This is exactly what's happening to most brands right now without them realizing it. Their campaigns quietly decay because a few small mistakes are compounding in the background, over-curating everything until it looks fake. Using the exact same content across every platform without adapting it. Chasing views and likes instead of the numbers that actually matter, like cost per acquisition and lifetime value. None of this is talked about enough, and it's the actual reason most UGC campaigns quietly die. If you want the exact frameworks, the swipe files, and the roadmap for actually building this out for your brand or your own content business, check out the link in the description. It's currently the top ranked AI video community on School. Out of 250,000 communities, only a handful of spots are left at $9. Once we hit our next member milestone, price jumps to $50 a month. So if you are even a little bit interested, now's the time. Okay, so that's step 1. Step 2 is fixing the mistakes running through your entire system, not just one video at a time. You want to imagine your UGC the way you imagine a healthy business, backchain dominant, not chasing vanity metrics upfront, not how many views did this get. The question is always, what did this actually generate in revenue? That means every piece of content gets permission properly documented, gets tested before it gets scaled, and gets adapted per platform instead of copy-pasted everywhere. LinkedIn UGC should feel professional. TikTok UGC should feel native. Don't run the same clip on both and expect the same result. And that leads to step 3, measurement. If you're not tracking the right numbers, you won't know what's actually working, no matter how good the content looks. Don't start from, did this go viral? Start from the other end. Track backwards from revenue. What was the cost per acquisition? What was the conversion rate? What was the lifetime value of the customer this piece of content brought in? That's the real signal. Views and likes are useless if nobody buys. The easiest way to build this habit is to set up a simple dashboard and check it on a schedule, weekly at minimum, so you're never flying blind on what's actually converting. Test it, measure it, fix what's leaking, scale what's working. That's the entire game, and almost nobody does all four consistently, which is exactly why most content never compounds. There's a lot more to this, and it needs to get more specific to your actual brand, your actual audience, your actual numbers. You will need the frameworks, and you will need accountability to actually stick with it. Alright, before I let you all go, if you are ready to actually build this properly, my community is where I break all of it down. It's the #1 ranked AI video and image course on School globally, out of 250,000 communities. Inside, you will learn how to create and monetize AI influencers and UGC ads, build your own AI twin, get personal one-to-one feedback, and get a guided roadmap so you're never guessing what to do next. If you're tired of guessing, tired of AI content that looks plastic and fake, and tired of spending hours with nothing to show for it, this is built for you. Spots are limited at $9 a month, locked in for life. Links in the description. Content is currency. Learn to make it convert. Thank you for watching.